Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to post 60-second story on Instagram. Before we understood that Instagram would still automatically cut up those longer videos into 15-second chunks, we thought it was fantastic when Instagram started allowing up to 60-second video uploads for story earlier this year. It's no longer a problem, but first you have to go to your Google Play Store and then type Instagram to make sure that Instagram application is up to date. So as you can see here, I need to tap this update in order for me to enjoy the new features of Instagram and also to avoid problems and lags. Now, once done, you can now open your Instagram. And as you can see here, I'm about to add a story more than 15 seconds. So let's just say I am going to add this video. It's 7 minutes, but our target is just 60 seconds. So as you can see, if I'm going to tap share, and you can see that the video is continuous, it's not chunked into 15 seconds. So that means I am allowed for a 60-second video uploads for story. Now, just in case you cannot see the word introducing 60 or introducing longer stories with 60 seconds up, then I think you're not allowed for a 60-second video for your Instagram story. Now, what are you going to do to post something like this? I mean, to post a 60-second video to your story, all you have to do is to tap your profile, Instagram profile, click the hamburger icon here, and then go to settings. And then once you click the settings, you need to scroll down and look for help. Tap this one. And then after you tap help, you can see here options like report a problem, account status, help center, privacy and security help, support request. You have to tap report a problem. Tap report a problem again, click include and continue. And then here you can now type your concern or your problem. So, for example, or you can just copy this one if you want. So I'm going to say here, hello, please help me. I cannot upload 60-second video or longer story on my Instagram, something like that. But actually, you can just type whatever you want. This is just an example. And then after that, you can also type here, enter here the email address or your email address so that they can reach you. And then you can also say, kindly help me with this. Thank you. And then once done, you can tap send and then wait for the customer service team to take an action or to respond with your concern or problem. As easy as that. Now they will email you or send you a message, and all you have to do is to follow the instruction in order for you to upload longer stories on your Instagram account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in our next video.